Hello and welcome to Kitchen Secrets. Today I'm going to share a secret traditional pickle recipe that's easy to make. All you need is 4 lemons, 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seed, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed. You would also need mustard oil, salt to taste, and onion seeds. What we are going to do is we are going to first roast, or rather dry roast, all the dry ingredients like jeera, saunf, methi, and then mustard. You're going to make sure that it splutters a little. Do not let it burn. And after this is done, do you see it spluttering? Yeah. After this is done, you're going to go ahead and let it cool down in a plate, then grind it to a fine dry powder and keep it aside. Now what we're going to do, we're going to first go ahead and chop all the lemon. Lemon needs to be first boiled in water for 5 minutes and then discard the water, cut it into tiny bits, slit the green chili, and then now to this add salt as per your taste and then mix it really well. And yes, I forgot to mention, turmeric powder needs to be added. Mix it really well because this has to ensure it covers all the lemon and chili in there, and you let it marinate. And you marinate for approximately 4 hours and then you let it just rest there. Right. Once that is done, after 4 hours, you'll go ahead and add the dry powder that you grinded and mix it really well to make sure that all the lemon is coated with it. Then after this is done, you would add the rest of the ingredients to begin with. First, you will add the red chili powder. Okay, mix it well. To enhance this flavor, there is that particular secret ingredient that I did mention initially, is nothing but a seed that has so many health benefits. That is kalonji or onion seeds. This is how it looks if you do not know. Go ahead and add it. Probably half a teaspoon should be enough, or 1 teaspoon depending on your taste, because it does have a strong flavor. We are just one ingredient away to complete this awesome, tasty, and easy to make pickle. This can be stored in any jar of your choice. I personally prefer glass jar because it's sustainable and it can be reused. What I'm going to do now is add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to it. Guys, you can go ahead and add more oil if you wish to. And you can also tamper with it, or rather use more spices and adjust it as per your taste. This is the way I like it. So I'm going to whisk these 2 tablespoons of mustard oil before I go ahead and add the final tablespoon. All right. This is the final tablespoon before we finished the pickle. This particular pickle can be stored in room temperature for roughly 1.5 months. And if you want to refrigerate it, you can go ahead and do it. It would stay refrigerated and the taste would be intact for roughly 1 year. I've tried 1 year, 1 month, and it has stayed absolutely fine. But I'm sure if you make this quantity, it never stays. So ta-da, it's done. This is how it looks. I hope you loved this recipe as much as I loved sharing it. Please do share it with your friends. Like, share, and subscribe. Please support, because your support is really important to us. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.